Hi, good day everybody. Today we are at the quails production, backyard production. There are only like 4 birds, 1 male and 3 female birds. We were facing some problems with the production a few weeks back, and the 2 of the birds has died as well, and we were not able to find the reason for that. We were having around 1 or 2 eggs in 3-4 days, which is very low production. So we were trying to find out what was the reason. We're not using any antibiotics. We're using the regular quail's feed in here without any supplements. And we were not able to find out the reason why this is happening. And well, we have purchased the Serge water filter with the structure, and we have installed it here. In a few days we saw the difference in the production, and the birds were starting to drink water much more than before, and now the production became to very normal level. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 1 more egg is there. There are 6 eggs in just 2 days. So that means that each bird is given 1 egg per day. This is incredible change in the production because